January this year, the right Poco say Poco is no longer needed in Deutschland. Make Poco make him move ahead. Only Poco. Let me tell you one story. When I give my wife document that time, and my wife newly born my daughter Nora. They not grant Nora, they grant my wife. And you remember?
They say they want to deport Nora.
They say they want to deport Nora.
They talk about the time when Nora go back to the country.
They say when Nora go back to the country, because when they born here, they give my wife as Jamie come Moorish. So now when German want deport people, they come left and say, now only she.
That lawyer said they are stupid, they are crazy.
Now only she they go deport, the children go there here. What could go carry one lawyer?
Not to call it or say, Pikin when the narrator say we be papa, they never give a document.
Yes.
Let me go back to the country.
Yes.
They call the narrator say I go pay papa.
That
and
is
Pikin not get documents.
Yes, that is Jamie for you.
Jamie.
So what could say what? Better go deport and leave the children for here. As Poco come Mumuri, Poco come to say, for them to deport and leave the children, may they deport the children who don't get document.
Yes,
Say not get where they go. The lawyer when he go meet, contact Poco because some lawyer dey. If government of Germany give you lawyer, it is very risky. Try have your own private lawyer. They can't ask Poco, say whether I need lawyer. Poco say yes, so you know they can't give a devilish lawyer. Lawyer where be say go even they tell you say may not wrong, maybe stay, say everything good, may they come. As Poco come Mumurish my people, Poco come free man. Since that January, Poco only give lawyer 50 euro.
They say traffic when there and not be seen.
The traffic where they Poco neck for Germany. As they pay Poco, this traffic where they minus, they reach like 300. They go say make Poco carry children go appointment. Poco not they go at any appointment. They said the day where you talk Poco say, bring those also of your pikin because for Germany they do therapy for children. Even if you say they all reach 15 years, they'll tell you it's okay. This is the therapy we go. If you too stubborn for Germany, you go therapy. If you too calm for Germany, you go therapy. If you too anything they do for this Germany, you must go to therapy. The time when they will give Poco, make they go locopedi. Poco go call that video to talk. Tori, who's there? Saga. Who did it? Saga. Who did it? Saga. Meanwhile, people wait just to reach out Poco. For Rosa, don't go give Poco TikTok account for police. First appointment, Poco not carry children go. Second appointment, Poco not carry children go. Third appointment, Poco not carry children go. Now you the same come out for a country. Now you only carry children to go appointment. Jenny called the Luca. Jenny, they are the most devilish people in the world. So if you see person with dead Jenny, respect them. Because to stay Jenny now by connection. To stay Jenny here, sleep with your 2 eyes closed now by connection.
How much you take fight on case? Not be 800. Which day, yeah, lawyer still bring money for me. See you put 5 coverage by the member say I never pay for my daughter finish.
No, 745 euro 99 cents.
Then the more asset journal. Not be last year, yeah, come bring paper for me. Say you put 5. He remember say the whole money 150. I can't pay again.
They say
Jamie come back.
the main reason why they don't take this decision so they want the Poco. Now Zomatic move. Smart guy. Boyfriend, you see, say they want to deport the woman. Then the issue that happened between us, story, and they do this thing not because of Poco. Because I've done Poco, I'm not going to talk this thing. I don't pass that level to come open platform for Poco. And not because of Poco I come here. We'll go another story after this. Poco came on social media and that video there with police. When Poco they talk say he don't leave finish. All the money when they get, if they give us your man the money. This they write am down. They come Pelham join the ones when he be say. They come Pelham join the ones when he be say They don't fit take donation before. Boko donation, he high, not be beans. They call the Baba Boko. The lawyer wey Boko take now, only 50 you will give the lawyer. He not go again. Boko get lost memory. According to that woman today. Boko get lost memory. Boko no dey. Except say, you just say they funny, you just say they do joke. Boko get lost memory. Boko they easily forget things. Number one, police don't cash Boko cash 1 gram of Igbo for the center of Mushin Street Station. As a mother, we get children for house. Police hold you with 1 gram of Igbo. They ask Boko, where you for see Igbo? Boko say, in Bayan. Where you buy from? Boko say, they not worry, say the boy they come. If not be say that boy was so smart. Boko be one go give. Boko Musha. Person when they say go for you. Where not there. Boko say, they not worry. If they say one do good thing, they forgive my document. The way they said Boko come to the call that one, come Mushi train station now. I want to buy Igbo, come Mushi train station now. Not all those people they do Igbo things for. Now all train station, they're smart. If they know they come direct, they'll first observe the arena. Another one say Boko one set up. They write them down. Boko don't fight 3 times. They write them down. Boko not get any use when he day for Germany. You know they carry children, they go appointment, nothing. So what you gonna do for Germany for a year? And they be one to deport him on the 21st of February. Before then, Boko already tell your baby father saying like this now. You need to find a way. When they see say Boko get sense. Boko never they do say he not get sense. Boko get sense. Because they tell the man you need to find a way. You need to go, because they speak. That nonsense when they speak. Tawako say, no problem. On the 21st of February, at about 9 p.m. in the evening, they say, like I say, some siren fair pass, according to the people who they close to the place with Boko they say some siren fair pass. Like they come Ozak Boko for ground. They come bust Boko at about 1 something in the night. Tiki say Boko no say police they come. Whether in that spiritual, whether I wish Boko be whether I don't know. Nobody know how Boko take move, come up for his ass. They use his house, they check everywhere, they don't see Boko. Meanwhile, Boko already get cozy man. They say that Boko take get jeans, say, yes. Like this now. Italy, me. It's like Boko take move ahead, go Italy. Then land Boko for the Italy winning this one. Now, the main reason why they talk this thing be saying, if you dare Germany here, try as much as possible before you get the airport you did for them. Is it like they carry children, they go therapy, they carry children from school, they bring them, they come back. Like you dare your children life. Even if say they don't give you paper to work, they contribute in one way or the other to the society. It go dey very hard for them to deport you. If you not get the one with your day at all, your deportation is 100%. Now, Boko say come look for document for Italy. She did not come out straight. Maybe people don't laugh at him. Because she knows say if you come out straight, people they say, hey, okay, let me come for Germany. But that will not be the main thing, we not going to make you tell the world. Because you yourself now, you still be popular person. You still tell the world.
Sit down for the matter.
If the other person, Boko, you carry down your leg way bend like ram. Oh, come outside they do. Saga. I remember you tell me said the native one that they wear so. Say you tell that go deport my name, you go come wear the native. The German now should be not come on leave me for the German. That's all of them go be. You know when they pray me they deport off now one by one. because I don't get bad intentions towards anyone. Say I fit plan any evil against anyone. Finish. No, I'm not planning evil against anybody. Anybody will plan evil against me or my fans who love me. And Baba think they happen for their life in Jesus' name.
Person say, how you cut this off your daughter home? Lawyer can't say they don't want, they don't. That's why I waste money. Lawyer they can't give my paper. So for the things they take it down. Now I will give Laura.
Now when Boko don't go Italy now you want to live the worst life of her life. Because Italy now I don't care country. Hardly before the Italy they deport. But make una still help me advise for that side. So that place when it does so, make it look for document. Even if you say only for document, make it behave as safe. And now they use threat, they look for documents. And now God and they give person documents. If Boko Fi escape deportation, you will they look me so. Why you not go Fi escape deportation?
And Boko be get many opportunities. We don't get children with the real letter.
Hello.
We if you do everything.
You where they look me so the author say they want deport, they will write to you. You go sit down for yourself as the form no level. If Boko was not a smart lady, by now, maybe everybody for they beg me say, Pamo, see me too, if you do for Boko. If not like 500,000 more, don't make for a mate till they see front. You understand? So I beg you people with the name of God.
Papa, what about the children?
The children there with the baby father now. The full story go come tomorrow. Because the full story, now when the person call they tell me say, if they come back, he no want me to talk for where person day. Let me tell lock up. I don't want to play the woman audio. If I play the woman audio, people go beat out tire. People na very bad person for the area. You don't even get good records for the place.
People go work tire for Italy, pa. Easy.
So tomorrow that will give me the full gist of waiting. Like the Peking will not be known for inside. I will still call out with evidence of proof. How I take get the Peking, I will still let you know. But I just use this one as an advice to tell the people where be say me, Jamie say me na comot. Summer they come, they deport away for summer. Code don't they finish now, they don't deport away. If Jamie tells me go, I say maybe you know say you chat, you carry private lawyer. Not make that mistake. Carry a private lawyer. Don't you ever take a government lawyer because they work hand in hand.
People need to naturally know say government lawyer no they do nothing for you. They
carry
work for
private you. Lawyer. If you like, sit down. If Boko Fi escape deportation, why are you not to escape deportation? Because Boko was so smart to see. Imagine say Boko not wrong. He could do Nigeria now.
Yes, no. Ew. He go no.
To Italy. Now God can know I take day for that side. But the main reason we make me do this thing because of my fans where they Germany here. Where government don't react, say me they come out. Germany the right person say me they come out. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. Germany cannot just come and deport you. Germany must give you sign. You wait to
they'll stop your money.
They'll stop your money. You wait to do don't day document. To do. You don't put two red light for your husband. You not wrong, you still stand. Then now what you go look for, you go see oh. As late for laptop. Balaba, you go get. Balaba, oh, you go get you. Oh.
Yeah. I think give one announcement.
You go get.
Announcement.
Announcement. I beg. If you not dey Europe, you dey Europe. Una family dey Nigeria, you can't get problem. Make una try una best to dey solve that problem. No, they say na come this platform again. It make no sense. Or not go even talk say na family. Una go say na person where una know. It no good now. Nobody family will not get problem.
Not be how they talk now.
Nobody family will they get problem. Una go dey France, una go dey Germany, una go dey UK. Una family go get problem. Una come disguise to say Iwa o Everia, Iwa o Everia, Iwa o Everia, Iwa o Everia, Epalao.
My wife cash one this afternoon.
It make no sense, my people are bad.
How you go dey Germany here with us? You say you drive.
They manage.
Now finish am. You say you dey Germany, you dey drive, you get document, you dey work for McDonald's. Me go na the laugh say no dey work. You see me, I use my platform, continue. Give your sister 2 million
That
naira.
person forgive una money.
Say your sister one bomb, Momo.
May God forbid bad thing say now sick person operation. May God forbid bad
Hello.
thing. Don't be normal. All this.
Those money when you call the work for McDonald's, so yeah.
Easily.
I can't tell us, okay, give me your number. I can't save her from my WhatsApp. Behold, this person has never for
No,
once.
as I call the guy. No, the woman tell me say
that one another one.
Now,
that one another one.
Not say they call me. Me call this one or what TG no. And not TG you tell me say na area you for no I say
he has never support us on this platform.
Even if you support, not be you serve your sister.
No honey.
You serve your sister.
Like that one with different that day now. That girl they help well.
No, that one different. He cut her. Not be done with not cut her because said he newborn, he want the child. You said my sister newborn, I mean pay your hospital. I mean pay your hospital bill.
No, if not be my wife and here,
my sister newborn, I mean pay your hospital bill. These people
for to do me.
That one different. We see condition.
Because me and the pity people well.
But still thank you when you tell the listen to us success. When you tell the listen to us success.
If not beyond my wife, because here worry me was so me go they feed their pain on their behalf. Me don't know say now why you the day.
Ew.
Me want vie.
Ew. Hey, yeah, sir.
You did better as do so for we get this session we never get us. You get better
as do you know that one girl will donate for a year, January? The first person who did do donation for the year, as we enter the year, I can't go confirm. Not be telling me they say that girl gas.
Yeah, gas. Even when my husband.
If I tell you the matter now, my sister they will tell me today say that they borrow picky cut they beg. I be won't tell you so if you don't know. Okay, you don't know. If I they borrow special children cut they beg go.
You see back for that day, I can tell you now.
Yes, now.
I remember the girl when I said that the boss, yes, it's very unique. Now, it's because he gave up a key for us already. I think you see that girl house, don't go there.
Tell me what?
If I heard they ask the question, you all keep your emotion, not your talk wood. If you not say I say match first, they not come. Because me don't match, they wait.
Yeah, you live long.
Me don't match, they wait.
Because match first, people will give for match, they're too many.
They're not corner.
Because they say, one corner, remember if what? Hello, boys.
That level at the Europe, now load where I carry. Because they gonna let us get that problem. Say that he reached 10 million.
So one girl come up with baby. They come ask her say he say I bet. I say your husband won't leave her. I made them donate for her. Then they come me go inside profile. I see say the man even the profile poster. Then they come say okay. How many months your baby dey? He say 1 year. Then they come say this baby don't even resemble pikin when don't reach 1 year because he dey young. Okay, which baby milk you dey give her? He say they come mention the name. Then they come say then you milk when you measure so and the milk sef dey cost well do when they look for money. Then they come say okay bring the milk come out make we see am. This guy don see one single milk wey come out o.
Can you imagine?
He don throway the last one. Okay, you know when they give baby milk you no get one milk for. I say no. Na then they come throway and say na lie they come dey lie now. Then they carry children say they beg.
I would like for Epa no.
Me no.
Epa they carry children till they beg. Even for Nigeria.
Only. They say if you see that girl house we help the first time. They say if you see that girl house.
Where they deport her be?
They say if you see that girl house.
Yes, I remember that now.
They say if you see that girl house.
Not be me they tell you one girl will help for Sas Diploma we get duplex for Lagos. Duplex, bastard duplex. The day we come for help, he go one Akpagiri as people ask.